If you're trying to entertain the season here, this is a must over here. This is a great charcuterie cheese board. Let's just go with cheese board. I can never say correctly charcuterie. I don't know. Anyway, this is a great board here for your upcoming holiday entertaining season, and frankly, I absolutely love it. It comes from Royal Craft here, and you need to check out the different pieces it has. It comes with these little pins here with the cards to write down what the cheeses and different things are. It comes with a separate board that is, I'll show you how to use it in a minute. You can use it different ways. This is the way they show it to use, but I actually put it on top of the board, as you can see here, with everything around it. You have your crevice in here that you could put all your crackers in. You do have two places here, two plates that do come very covered in here so that they are protected in the packaging when they're coming in. And you could put different kinds of things in here like nuts or fruits or whatever you need to put in there. This is expandable, which is awesome. Once you expand it, you see that it does have the different knives and forks in here. Got for the cheeses. Now this is supposed to be inserted into the charcuterie board when you are making it, but what you can also do is what I did is just put it on the side and put all the cheeses on it or whatever you need to. The fruits, I put some dried fruits on here, a little olives, some cheese, some crackers, and some nuts on there, and it looks absolutely beautiful and everything looks delicious. So I absolutely love making this charcuterie board on here, or the cheese board. Let's just go with cheese board. It's a lot simpler. And this one is such a beautiful one and such great craftsmanship on it. I absolutely love it.